Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to block someone on Tango. First of all, what you have to do is launch up on Tango application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to block someone, it is actually very simple. If you want to block someone that you follow, you can simply tap on this option following. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the active following lists over here. From here too, you can simply tap on their profile and block them. If you want to block someone you do not follow, for that what you have to do is tap on the explore icon that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be able to search for the people. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for the profile of the person that you want to block. Make sure to tap on this option people. Now you'll be able to see all the profiles over here. Tap on the profile that you want to block. Now you'll be led to their profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. In order to block them, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find the options like share profile, report user and block user. Tap on this option block user. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to find this message. Blocked user won't be able to message you. You can no longer access blocked user's content. You can unblock the user at any time. Simply tap on this option block. Now once you do that, you can see over here this user will be blocked. So that is how you block someone on Tango. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.